Hello everyone, so this is the beginning stages of the nail design we're going to be working on this week. For my pinky, my pointer finger, and my thumb, I painted all over with a dark gray nail polish. The one that I use is by LA Colors and it's called Gotham. So I applied this over my entire nail on my pinky, my pointer finger, my thumb. On my ring finger and my middle finger, I applied a light gray nail polish. And this one, I actually mixed myself. I added about between 8 to 10 drops of gray nail polish into some white nail polish. This was a snow white nail polish. And I just added the same gray nail polish that I had on my nails. I just added about 8 to 10 drops in there and shook it up really well. And I applied it to my nails. And the next thing I did, I took a makeup sponge. And I use a different sponge on my nails than I did on my toes. I really don't like the way that my toes came out, which you'll see later on. But I'm not going to do them over. But I use a different sponge on my toes. I decided to use, go back to my makeup sponge. This is the makeup sponge that I like to use when I do like a grading effect. So I'm going to take this and apply some of the same dark gray nail polish. And I'm just going to sponge some on the tip of my nail. And I'm going to go like a third of the way up on my nail. After I do that, I'm going to, I top coated all of my nails, not top coated, but I applied a glitter polish over all of my nails. And I applied the same glitter polish on each nail. And the one that I use is by Clean Colors, it's number 131, and it's called Silver Lining. This is a really, really pretty silver nail polish, and you can see it has like some little dots of purple glitter in it as well. So I applied that over my entire nail. And the flower and everything, I just pretty much hand painted with acrylic water paints. And the colors that I have is purple, black, and light gray. I also applied some Swarovski crystals in the center of the flower. These are size 3SS, so they're a little bit tinier than the ones that I use on my toes. They're really, really tiny. And I'm going to apply those like I normally do with my Kiss brush-on nail glue. So I'm going through everything that I'm pretty much going to be using. And now I'm going to go ahead and get started. The first step that I'm going to do, I'm going to apply the gray nail polish into the sponge and sponge it on my nails. And I'm going to go like a third of the way up. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. And after which I'll be applying the glitter polish. So I decided to do the design a little bit different on my nails than I did on my toes. It's just a little bit different. But you'll see the toe design. I'll be posting it tomorrow, so you'll see it. So that is basically it for this nail design. Hope you like it. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you later, YouTube. Till then, take care.